today's video, meron dumating na IKEA packages sa labas. Dalawa. Isa malaki. So, i-unbox natin. Tignan natin kung ano ang tsura niya pag inassemble. So, para magka-idea na rin kayo para sa mga nagko-condo living, kung ano yung mga magagandang ilagay para space saver niya to have more spaces, more storage. So, labas na ako para i-unbox namin and catch you later. This is the IKEA package that arrived this morning. This is a wall-mounted table with 2 drawers. Space saver siya. And today, i-assemble na ni Daddy Kurt. Kaya na nila yan. Tulong-tulong na ako na side. Ayan, medyo mahirap i-open yung box. Very sealed. Maganda yung pagkakapack. And tulong na rin yung mga kids. So, ayan, chine-check na ni Kurt yung mga parts. With the help of Stewie.
What do you have to eat?
It's a cardboard.
Ayan si Ahia, oh, helping out Daddy. He's referring to the instruction manual. Itong si kulit. imagine lang siya. Ayan, there are 2 parts. Yung upper part and then yung lower panel is for the bottom part of the table. And then a bunch of screws. Yeah. Family project na namin to, great bonding time. Aside from mga pasyal-pasyal, gusto ng mga kids yung mga ganitong nag-assemble kami. Ayan, nakabit na nila yung mga side screw. The next one is the drawer slider. And syempre, si Ahia, Stewie is helping out, and then si Bunso is nag-pretend play. Meron sariling toy driller. That's for the drawer. It's actually for the drawer, right? Because I see slides. Drawer slides. Stephen Robin, what's that? I think you have to put it back, Dad. Naka-attach na yung drawer case for the left part.
Oh my gosh. Push it inside.
Like this.
Very good.
Yan, hina-hammer in nila yung tops for the upper panel of the table. Ayan. Tinuturuan namin si Stewie kasi important yung maging matuto siya mga ganyan. Pero lalaki.
They stick together.
Very good naman si Stewie. Interested naman ang panganay namin sa mga ganyan. Diba? Great bonding time. Father and son bonding time. Good job, Ahia. Good job. Another one. Careful, ha? Okay, good job.
Over there.
Have to tap it very gently.
That's right. Very gently.
Right.
Good job. Well done, well done. Yay! Slowly! Here comes exciting part. Nabubuo na siya. Then we just have to attach the back panel. And then the drawers. So, diba? Ang dali-dali. Pero hindi na ako nakiguloy kasi baka alito lang si Daddy Kurt. And si Ahia na lang, since Ahia is very good with building and creating. Ayan na siya. Nabubuo na. We will attach the back part. Baliktad, Dad. Other side. Ayan. Papako na lang yung back part. 30 pieces daw ang pako. So, para ma-attach ng gusto. Ayan. Galing-galing naman ang Ahia ko. Stewie, oh. Very good naman. Good boy naman ang Stewie. Siyempre, yung nasa likod, oh. Nagpapako din ng bunso. Nakakatuwa. We are now assembling the drawers. Tutulong na ako para we can finish faster. Ayan, nairita na si Kurt. Follow the instructions daw. Follow the instructions. Natulungan ko na si Kurt mag-assemble. Tapos na isang drawer. This is for the second drawer para mabilis na. Ayan. Ganyan, yan lang siya. Screw in, screw in.
Now we have a drawer. Push it. Push out. Push it. Push out. Push in.
So this is the final product after assembly. This is a space saver wall-mounted table. So ilalagay namin dito yung mga gadgets, yung mga laptop, iPad, para nakasecure, safely secured ang mga gadgets. So we just have to put the screw in the slider. Linisin na namin ni Stu yung area.
Lots of egg.
Ayan na, ipoposition na namin ang table. There you go! Fits perfectly, right, Dad?
I got the attention.
Thanks, Stewie! Ayan siya, oh. Na-utilize na itong area na ito before. Ayan. Oh, diba? Very nice. Ayan siya. Very nice space ngayon. Kung we need more drawer, mag-stack na lang another one. Diba? Nice. That's it for today's video. Salamat! Bye-bye!